This is a house in the posh North Delhi locality. When the owners began its construction a year ago, they had not foreseen the heavy increase in the cost of construction material. Now, the budgets have spiraled out of control. The cost of building material has risen by as much as 40 to 60% over the past few months. Both independent house constructors and building developers are feeling the heat. In early 2001, the cost of building a house would on average be rupees 500 square feet for construction. Today, even rupees 1200 per square feet is not enough. This is a rise of over 230%.
We are doing projects and people are facing that the budget that they had probably roughly worked out for their houses is going to be affected by almost 60%, 45%, depending on what range or what kind of bracket house that they were making.
The cost of construction has risen steadily over the past couple of years and has nearly doubled in the past 2 to 3 years. On average, construction costs account for 50 to 60% of the total cost of owning a house. Most of the price rise can be attributed to the cost of basic construction raw material.
मटेरियल का कॉस्ट काफ़ी बढ़ गया है, हर चीज़ की कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है। एवरेज मैं समझता हूँ कि 20% से 25% तक कॉस्ट ओवरऑल बढ़ी है। सबसे ज़्यादा पिछले 3 महीनों में फ़र्क पड़ा है। सबसे ज़्यादा स्टील का महसूस हो रहा है और उससे रिलेटेड दूसरी चीज़ें वो सब बढ़ती जा रही हैं। स्टोन एग्रीगेट है वो बहुत बढ़ गया है।
Cement prices have risen from rupees 150 per bag in 2006 to between rupees 220 to 260 in the past 2 years. Steel in the meantime has gone up from between rupees 22 to rupees 28 to between rupees 45 to 50 per kg, a steep increase of almost 80%. Developers too are affected by the rise. Most of the products under development were started 2 to 3 years ago when building materials cost much less.
Steel and cement are exceptionally large consumption item which have gone up for last 1.5 years. The prices have gone up more than 40-50%.
To mitigate the pain, planners and architects are being asked by clients to bring in more efficiency in design and use materials that cost less. Architect and interior designer Poonam Amla for one says that her clients are asking for solutions.
The design that we opt is that we are saving on almost 40% of the room or sometimes even 50% of the room, which we use in a laminated wooden flooring, and the rest we use in the marble. The marble could be Italian, Indian, any marble. But again, we are cutting down on the cost because laminated flooring is of a very nominal price as compared to the Italian marble.
Around me are some of the buildings that began construction about 2.5-3 years ago. The cement price then was around 1/3 of its present price. The steel prices too were around 1/3 of their present price. If raw material prices continue to spiral upward like this, construction is only set to become more expensive. The dream home is going to get further out of the reach of the common man. In New Delhi, Tanisha Kulshresht.